In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Asana account. If you're looking to take a break from your task management tool or simply switch to another platform, we'll walk you through the steps to make sure you can do so smoothly and efficiently. Rest assured, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully deleted your account in just a few minutes. First things first, let's begin by logging into your Asana account. Open up Asana either on your web browser or app and enter your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the right account, especially if you have multiple Asana accounts or shared devices. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard or the last workspace you accessed. Now, it's important to ensure that you have any necessary information downloaded or transferred before proceeding with the account deletion. Next, what we want to do is navigate to My Settings. To get there, bring your attention to the top right corner of the Asana interface where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account and settings. What you're looking for is the Settings option. Just click on that. From the Settings menu, let's move to the Account tab. This section contains different options for managing your account details. So once you're in the Settings window, locate the Account tab. Clicking on it will direct you to all the account-related settings. As we navigate through the account settings, scroll down to find the option labeled Delete Account. Usually this is positioned toward the bottom as it's not something you'd want to click by accident. Keep in mind, while scrolling, that Asana might have updated their interface since your last visit, so these options can shift slightly. Now that you've located the Delete Account option, it's crucial to confirm your decision. So go ahead and click Delete Account. You'll see a warning message pop up. This message is important. It will inform you of the consequences of deleting your account. Your data, tasks, and projects associated with this account will be permanently deleted unless saved elsewhere. Take a moment to read it thoroughly just to be sure you understand what's going to happen next. Once you've acknowledged the warning message, if you're ready to proceed, click on Continue Deletion. This is your final step, and by doing so, you confirm that you want to delete your Asana account. And there you have it. Your Asana account should now be successfully deleted. Remember, once completed, this action cannot be undone, so ensure this is what you want to do before proceeding with these steps. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have other tech questions or requests, feel free to ask.